back to my channel. Today I have a special unboxing for you. My daughter's Erin Condren academic planner came in and she is sitting with me. I'm just going to pan over and say hello, Sydney. And we are going to open the box and Sydney is going to give us her first impressions of her new academic planner.
Pretty.
So of course, because it's July, and I gotta say this before we get into the unboxing, like, I ordered this July 11th for her, and it is the 28th, people, and it's just now getting here, so I'm a little peeved. They got the life planner shipped out within 13 hours. You can't tell me that an academic planner can't ship out as fast. Just saying. So you got your little typical postcard and your sticker. And Sydney, would you like to do the honors?
With my long nails.
With your long nails. Alright, so we're going to take this out of the box and move the box aside, and Sydney's going to show us what she got.
It's so pretty.
So she got, I want to say this is
like the tie-dye.
Shiborni or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's the pattern she got on her cover.
It's like a tie-dye. Let's just say.
Yeah, it's like a tie-dye. What Sydney said is a tie-dye. And it's got her name written in the platinum. We got the platinum coil. And she got the date dots.
For like the year.
And the tabs for the months. And we're going to open this up. And of course, as always, the covers have the little dashboard on it so you can write on it with dry erase markers. With the barcode, of course. And then we have the academic planner. It is a 12-month planner. She can put her name, her school, and her year. I would probably only put her name and her year, which is going to be 5th grade. It's her last year at elementary school. So let's turn the page and see what we got here, Sydney.
Let's see if we can turn the page.
All right, so it looks like there's some projects and exam pages. Let's see how many there are. There's quite a lot. There's a decent amount. There's
a decent amount.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double page spreads of it. And then you get your note page to start the first month.
The lovely note page that Mom loves so much.
And what do you think about the paper, Sydney?
It feels nice. It's thick.
It's thick. You like it?
Yeah.
Of course, you got your quote page. And then you have your month, and it's blank so she can put her date dots in. I believe she's going to start this in September, which is when school starts for them.
Yeah.
So that's what she's going to do.
Oh,
but
no.
you have your monthly view with a little spot to put the date dots. And you have your, in the month. And you have your sidebar here. And then your weekly layout. You can put the week of. And then it gives you Monday through Friday is full.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got its section off columns. You have a spot for the date.
I could write like my homework right here and what stuff we have coming up right here.
Or you could write your homework here and anything you need to remind yourself of.
I need to do my homework.
And then Saturday and Sunday is split off at the bottom here.
So if you need to do your homework.
So each month comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and 1, 2, 3, 4 note pages. Then you have a note page to start the next month. And we'll flip through and give them the colors. What do you think? Okay, let's find the colors here.
Green, blue, orange, purple, yellow, and another dark blue.
So they follow pretty much the same colors as the actual life planner,
But they
but it's
repeat.
undated, and you can put
Oh, that
the
one was
stickers where you
pretty.
want to.
The tealish one. I like that.
So that is that. And then in the back, let's see if there's anything in the back, Sydney. Oh, these pages are a little hard to turn. There we go.
Stay.
Okay, you have your social media page. Is there anything after the month?
Just the no pages.
Yeah, you have a couple note pages.
Oh,
And then she has some stickers.
those are nice.
Exam, midterm, some blank ones. Test, quiz, read, paper due, study group, study, no class, vacation, and then you get 3 blank ones in each color at the bottom. Is there any more stickers?
No.
Nope.
And then you just turn to your
Back cover, and it's blank. That dashboard is blank. So Sydney, this is a pretty thick planner,
Yeah.
and the pages don't want to turn very well. What do you think?
I like it. I could, since I don't use it, I could use it for some of next year in like 6th grade because you wouldn't use it for the summer, so you would have still some of them
Yeah, or you can get another one for next year.
too.
True. So out of 5 stars, what would you give this, Sydney? How many stars out of 5?
5 stars because I'm a nerd on supplies and everything.
She is just like her mother, ladies and gentlemen, just like her mother. So this has been our quick flip through and first impression of the Erin Condren Academic Planner. This is a new version of it this year because before it was bound in the journal style and it only came in a 6-month format, whereas this one comes in a 12. It's undated, and they included the date dots and the tabs for free for the months. And yeah, that is our unboxing and first impression. Sydney gives it a 5-star. I would say I would give it a 4, and the only reason I give it a 4 is because I think it's ridiculous that it took so long to get here, in my personal opinion. But that is just my opinion. But as long as she's happy, I am happy.
It's okay because it's the summer. It's not like we ordered it at the beginning of school year and like I need it or something.
Right, I understand. But, you know, when they were shipping life planners out in 13 hours, they launched this and told me it was going to be 2 weeks. I only ordered it 2 days after it launched, so.
And it got here 3 days after they said it would be here.
After it was going to ship, yeah. So, that is our unboxing and first impression of the new Erin Condren Academic Planner. Give this video a thumbs up if you like planner content on my channel. And from Sydney and I, until next time, happy planning.